I have never been more excited about a collaboration. Sunny Hair sent me hair extensions. I will leave all the links for you guys down below after you watch this review because you're gonna want to buy from them. They sell 100% human hair extensions and they have different types of extensions. I'm not a professional about this kind of stuff. But the ones that I picked are like the clip-ins, which are the easiest in my opinion to apply because, as I said, I'm not a professional. So the color I picked is called Balayage Brown with Blonde. If you feel like your hair is about the same color as mine, I will leave the link down below to the one I picked because honestly, I was so surprised at how close it was to my actual hair color, considering I bleach my own hair and I have like so many different colors in my hair. This was perfect for me. And I picked the 16-inch. I think I should have went with more than 16-inch because my hair is pretty long, but that's fine. So what you get inside is seven, I don't know what to call them, but basically you get 7 pieces and you get one that has 4 clips, 2 that have 3 clips, 3 that have 2 clips, and 1 that is just a 1 clip. So here's a quick look at my hair before. I have very Middle Eastern hair, so we have thick hair in the family. It's not like we have thin hair or anything, but I wanted a more full head since I wasn't going for like longer extensions. And here's what I needed: a clip and something to kind of section your hair with. So here's how I applied them. I'm not a professional at all, guys. This is probably like my second time applying clip-ins on my hair, so I just kind of followed a YouTube tutorial and it was very easy, honestly. So for the back of my head, I used 3 pieces and 3 of the biggest ones, so basically the ones that have 3 clips and 4 clips, because this is like the largest part of your head. And sometimes you want to tease if you feel like it's not holding well to your hair, but honestly I didn't need to even tease. It was just holding really well. You can even use hairspray if you feel like it's not holding. And so the main thing is to make sure that they are very well hidden, because if you want to go out, you don't want your extensions to be showing. So always leave a thick layer of hair in the top so that it can hide everything below. Honestly, 7 pieces were more than enough for my hair. And as I said, I wasn't trying to actually extend my hair, as in make it longer. But I think if you're trying to make your hair longer, you might need to buy 2 packages. So you will need like 14 pieces, especially if you have thicker hair like me. Once I'm done applying them, I styled it. I kind of did like curls. You can even go for like straight hair. Some people style their extensions before they apply them, but I think it's way easier like this. And here's the before and after. You'll notice that my hair does look a little bit taller, like longer, sorry, in the after, because my hair is not like exactly 16 inches. But the main difference is in the fullness of my hair. Like my hair looks awesome. It looks like so healthy because the extensions are so shiny, so it kind of made my hair look way healthier than it usually is. I'm honestly considering buying a 20-inch next time. You're gonna want to check their website because by the time I'm posting this, they have a huge sale on their website. And on top of that, I have a discount code for you guys. It's JOY15 for 15% off. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.